OMG, what a day today has been. Wow, we have learned so much today, from mapping out our business fundamentals to being more productive, to finding ways to no longer look for that how that we always want to seek out, to being totally Trello, to the batch process principle model, to business planning for success, selling the solution, not the service, business planning. I mean, we have learned it all. It has been crazy, crazy, crazy today. Streamlining our content, IT strategies, new blogger tools. Like, today has been all about productivity and powering yourself up as a business owner. So do not forget, all of the videos that are in front of you today on the speaker page will be available for 24 hours. Take that opportunity, watch every one of them, go through them again, go through them a third time, really dive in and check them out. And make sure that you also spend a little bit of time clicking on the links below each video, connecting with these speakers, asking questions inside the Facebook group if you have any, and also checking out some of those additional products and services that I've provided with you that have helped me along the way. So looking forward to seeing you guys in day 2 tomorrow. Have a wonderful rest of your evening, and we'll see you inside the summit. Bye, everyone.